If your bedroom feels flat, unfinished, or just missing that cozy, dreamy vibe, a Boho Canopy bed might be the transformation you've been looking for. I'm Brad Smith, and after 15 years of designing beautiful, livable spaces, I've seen how the right bed styling can completely change a room. In this countdown, we're revealing 10 Boho Canopy bed ideas that blend texture, warmth, and personality. So stay with us and find the one that turns your bedroom into a retreat. At number 10, I'm placing the floor cushion nook beside the canopy bed. It's a beautiful supporting detail, but it works best after the bed itself is established. Still, this little zone adds instant boho comfort, giving you a soft landing spot for reading, tea, or slow mornings. Number 9 is the velvet and lace canopy bedroom. It brings drama and softness, but it can feel a little more decorative than essential in a true boho space. The mix of rich texture and delicate trim creates a romantic layered look that instantly makes the room feel more styled and intimate. At number 8, the DIY hoop canopy from the ceiling earns its spot for creativity and budget friendliness. It's a smart way to get that floating boho effect without building a full frame. The circular shape softens the room visually, and that alone can make a bedroom feel more relaxed and whimsical. Number 7 is the mosquito net canopy with tassels. It's practical, especially in warmer climates, but the tassels are what make it feel boho instead of purely functional. That extra movement and texture can turn a simple bed into something that feels breezy, casual, and beautifully layered. At number 6, the layered tapestry canopy bed brings in color, pattern, and a true bohemian spirit. I love it for renters or anyone wanting a statement without permanent changes. The layered textiles add depth fast, and that visual richness can make even a plain bedroom feel collected and artistic. Number 5 is the bamboo frame canopy bed. This one ranks higher because the structure itself becomes part of the design story. Bamboo naturally brings warmth, texture, and an organic feel, so the bed looks intentional even before you add much styling. It's a great anchor for a grounded boho bedroom. At number 4, the Boho Canopy bed with hanging plants adds life in the most literal way. Plants bring movement, freshness, and a sense of calm that fabric alone can't do. Just be sure to place them where they get the right light, because when they thrive, they make the whole bedroom feel alive. Number 3 is the 4-poster bed with fairy lights. This ranks high because it adds both structure and atmosphere in one move. The posts create height, while the lights bring a soft glow that makes the room feel magical at night. It's one of the easiest ways to make a bedroom feel like a retreat. At number 2, the sheer white linen canopy bed is a boho classic for a reason. It instantly softens sharp edges, filters light beautifully, and makes the whole room feel breathable. If you want that dreamy, effortless look, this is one of the most reliable choices because it works in almost any bedroom. And at number 1, the macrame canopy over a rattan bed takes the top spot. This is the ultimate boho combination because it layers texture on texture in a way that feels warm, handcrafted, and completely inviting. The rattan grounds the room, while the macrame adds that artisanal detail that makes the space unforgettable. And that's our top Boho Canopy bed pick: soft, layered, and effortlessly inviting. Whether you love the natural textures, the airy draping, or the cozy statement it creates, the key is making your bedroom feel personal and relaxed. If you enjoyed this countdown, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more design inspiration, and visit omnihomeideas.com for more tips, ideas, and room-by-room resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.